Hey, wanted to give you guys an update on my Treadle Vac brake system rebuild. So you remember the first video, I got this pulled apart and found all this crud in here and all this corrosion caused from the leaking brake fluid. These are connected, and then your O-rings go bad in your master cylinder and leak into your booster unit and cause all kinds of havoc. So I took my cylinder hone, which fit perfectly in here, and got this cleaned up to the point that I think it'll work just fine. There's a little bit of pitting way in the back, but it's outside of the travel of the piston. So the really good tip that I have for you today is Cliff's Classic Chevrolet. Find them on Facebook down in Portland, Oregon. I gave them a call, and Wanda, what a sweetheart. She put a new gasket set in the mail, priority mail for me, and so we'll have that here in a day or two, and we'll put this thing back together, and we'll go from there. So what I found is everybody on the internet that looks like they have these for sale, they're not for sale at all. They just simply take yours if you have something that's rebuildable, and for the tune of $400 to $600, they'll clean it up and put new gaskets in it for you. But hey, you can do that yourself. So follow along. See you next time.